Just the nature of the business, man. Alrighty. We'll be riding Keg Creek. At Lake Thurmond on a brisky January day. All right, well, let's ride it. All right, on my 07 Cannondale Rush today. My other bike had some fork suck, so I had to order some parts. Mud! Already rooty and a little muddy. Whew. It is cool this morning. Here we go. Turning on the trail. I think they've been doing a good bit of work out here on this thing. Whew. Duck, quack, quack. Oh, whew. Yeah, here we go. Whew. This trail goes around two coves on Lake Thurmond, on the border of Georgia and South Carolina. The trail would technically be, I guess, Appling, Georgia. So we're on the Georgia side. Just one of the multiple trails in this area for mountain biking. Man, kudos to the guys working on this trail. Great shape. Need to drop them a thank you on the Sorba CSRA page, which is the cycling club in the Augusta-Aiken area that takes care of these trails. They've really done a good job. Nice little rock garden. So I'm on an 07 Cannondale carbon fiber rush with the lefty DLR fork. It's more of a cross-country bike. I have Swapped out the 26-inch wheels to 27.5, and it works really well. Bought this bike new in 07, and she still runs good. All they need is a little TLC to keep them going. Did upgrade the drivetrain to 1x10. So it's kind of simplified it. Did put a dropper post on it. X-Fusion high-low, helo, however you want to call it. And it's just a fun bike to ride. Haven't ridden it much since I got my other bike. Oh yeah, creek. It's like a old culvert pipe down in the creek. We'll end up crossing this creek sooner or later. And there it is. Yeah, I'm gonna have to maybe bring this bike out a little more often. Just the nature of the business, man. The brake squeak. Beautiful trail, beautiful day. Saturday, January the 23rd, I believe, 2021. Hopefully 2021 is better than 2020. I knew I could do it. Woo! A little skinny got me there in the beginning. Had to go back and retry it. Like little features like that. It's nice to see something like that out here as an alternate line. How was this one? Yep. Yeah, that's the steep one I was thinking of. Let's go riding back down this thing. It's not that bad of a roll. You just got to get that seat down and get back. Ooh, that was close. Thought me bars was gonna catch there for a minute. It was not a good feeling. That could have ended badly, but it didn't.
Ken can do that one.
Woo! Whew. Woo! Man, that was deep. Getting close to the end. Ooh, loop pedal strike. Gotta watch it on this bike. Woo! All right, just gotta finish up on this cove. Whew. Oh shit. Whew. Whew. Ah. Ah. Whew. Ah. Whew. Tight through there. Whew. Oh shit. Whew. Man, there was a couple of roots back there that was rough. Yeah. Morning.
Morning.
Do 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 do.